If you're planning your first trip to the City of Lights, you're in for an absolute treat. The best places to stay. Whether you're dreaming of charming cobblestone streets, iconic landmarks right at your doorstep, or maybe a cozy neighborhood vibe, I've got you covered. So, grab your croissants and café au lait, and let's explore the best places to call home during your first visit to Paris. We have top picks for hotels in Paris showing at the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're excited about this Parisian journey. And without further ado, let's jump right in. Place Vendôme. If you're visiting Paris for the first time, the best place to stay is near Place Vendôme. This famous square is in the Louvre neighborhood on the right side of the Seine River. For a central, convenient, and well-connected location, go for the first arrondissement. In the first arrondissement, you'll find key attractions like Tuileries Garden and the Louvre Museum. This area stretches from Place de la Concorde on the west to Les Halles on the east. Place Vendôme is on the west side, close to Place de la Concorde. I suggest staying near this square because the eastern part, especially around Les Halles, isn't the safest at night. Choosing to stay near Place Vendôme is ideal for sightseeing in Paris, especially if you're visiting for the first time. It's the most central and convenient area. From here, you can walk to major attractions like the Louvre Museum and Notre Dame. Plus, it's a short metro ride away from the Eiffel Tower and Montmartre. Rue de Rivoli nearby offers a mix of international brands and great souvenir shops, making it perfect for shopping. The location is well connected to the rest of the city, with major metro stations like Opéra, Madeleine, and Concorde nearby. Additionally, if you want to explore the Palace of Versailles, it's easy to get there via the RER from Invalides Station. Hotels near Place Vendôme. Hôtel Malte, Astotel, Hôtel Molière. Hotels near Place Vendôme. La Maison Favart. Hôtel Opéra Richepense. Luxury hotels near Place Vendôme. Nolinsky. Le Meurice. Apartments near Place Vendôme. High Stay, Saint-Honoré. Best places to stay in Paris with Eiffel Tower. View the Eiffel Tower is Paris's most famous landmark, and it's a fantastic experience to enjoy its twinkling lights from your own balcony. If having a hotel with an Eiffel Tower view is a must for you, then the 7th arrondissement is the place to be. This central neighborhood provides amazing views of the Eiffel Tower. Situated south of the Seine River, the 7th arrondissement is also close to other attractions. You can easily walk to Les Invalides, the Rodin Museum, and of course, the iconic Eiffel Tower. Another choice is staying near Trocadero Square in the 16th arrondissement. The views are even better here than in the 7th, but the 16th isn't as central, and you'll need public transport to get almost everywhere else. Hotels with an Eiffel Tower view can also be found in the 8th arrondissement. However, if you prefer a more central location with a true Parisian vibe, I suggest staying in the 7th. Before reserving your ideal room, make sure to confirm whether it comes with a view of the Eiffel Tower. Some hotels only have a few rooms that overlook this famous landmark, while the majority of their rooms have standard views. It's a good idea to book as early as possible since these view rooms are often booked well in advance because they're in high demand. Hôtel Le Walt by Inwood Hotels, Hôtel Muguet, Canopy by Hilton Paris Trocadero, Shangri-La, Résidence Charles Floquet, Place Saint-Michel. For a one-night stay in Paris, the best spot is near Place Saint-Michel. This central location is perfect when you're short on time, putting you within walking distance of key attractions like Notre Dame Cathedral, the Louvre Museum, and the Tuileries Garden. Plus, the nearby Saint-Michel Notre Dame station makes it easy to connect to the rest of the city. Place Saint-Michel is right between the charming 5th and the 6th arrondissement. The Latin Quarter has historic streets, lively cafes, and famous landmarks like the Pantheon and Shakespeare and Company. Luxembourg is a classical Parisian neighborhood with art galleries, antique shops, and charming sidewalk cafes. Avoid staying too close to big train stations, especially Gare du Nord and Gare de l'Est, even if it seems convenient. These areas may have a higher risk of street crimes and could feel less safe. The same goes for certain larger RER stations, like Les Halles, Relais Hôtel du Vieux-Paris, Hôtel d'Aubusson, Place de la Concorde. Paris is absolutely enchanting during the Christmas season, making it a must-visit for holiday enthusiasts. The beautifully decorated shop windows, light displays, and Christmas decorations create a magical atmosphere. For the best December experience, stay around Place de la Concorde in the heart of Paris. It's not only central, allowing you to walk to many Christmas markets, but it's also well connected to the rest of the city. From the Concorde metro station, you can easily reach the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and Arc de Triomphe. The most popular Christmas markets, including Hotel de Ville, Tuileries Garden, Eiffel Tower, Halles, and Notre Dame Cathedral, are just a short metro ride from Concorde Station. The only exception is La Magie de Noël at Tuileries Garden, which you can reach by walking from Place de la Concorde. Don't forget to catch the Christmas lights and decorations at Galeries Lafayette, Champs-Élysées, and Le Bon Marché. They're not to be missed. Hotel Opéra Riche-Pensée, Hotel de Crillon, Place de la Bastille. The ideal place to stay in Paris for a vibrant nightlife is around Place de la Bastille. This square sits on the border of the Bastille and the trendy Marais district. Centrally located and well connected to tourist spots via the metro, it's perfect if you want to enjoy Paris's nightlife. Marais, one of the oldest areas in Paris, spans the 3rd and 4th arrondissements. It's a lively district with chic boutiques, vintage shops, and charming cobblestone streets dotted with small cafes. Key attractions include Place des Vosges, Notre Dame Cathedral, and Hotel de Ville. For a night out, explore Rue de l'Aper, Rue des Archives, and Rue de la Verrerie. On the other side, Bastille, once a working-class neighborhood, is now the hotspot for Parisian nightlife. While it may lack famous sights, you'll find trendy restaurants, hipster clubs, and stylish rooftop bars. The main party areas are around Place de la Bastille and Oberkampf, Le Petit Beaumarchais Hôtel and Spa, Le Pavillon de la Reine and Spa, Saint-Germain-des-Prés. For a romantic getaway or honeymoon in Paris, the best spot is Saint-Germain-des-Prés. This neighborhood, part of the 6th arrondissement, is a classic Parisian area. With charming cafes and lovely parks, it sets the perfect scene for a memorable experience with your loved one. Located on the left bank of the Seine, just across from the Louvre, Saint-Germain-des-Prés has an unbeatable location. You can easily walk to famous historical sites like the Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral, Sainte-Chapelle, and Champs-Élysées. The Eiffel Tower is just a short metro ride away. For a romantic evening, check out Bouterie, Le Christine, or Shiro, Restaurant Franco-Japonais Fusion. If you're in the mood for fine dining, Source Restaurant and Restaurant Guy Savoy are excellent choices. Saint-Germain-des-Prés is also home to the iconic Café de Flore and Les Deux Magots, where famous writers and artists like Picasso, Hemingway, and Sartre used to gather and exchange ideas. Hôtel d'Aubusson, Hotel Lutetia, and Valids. From July 26 to August 11, Paris is hosting the 2024 Olympics. France is aiming for an environmentally conscious event, so most of the games will be in the heart of the city. To reduce the carbon footprint, 95% of the venues will be existing or temporary, including iconic places like Stade de France, Roland Garros, and the Champs-Élysées. Only 3 new venues will be built: the Aquatics Centre, the Olympic and Paralympic Village, and the Media Village. The opening and closing ceremonies will be at Stade de France. The Olympic Games will use Paris's famous landmarks as sporting arenas. Champs-Élysées will turn into a huge cycle track. Château de Versailles will host horse races, and beach volleyball will be played at the foot of the Eiffel Tower. The Seine River will connect all the venues. For the best stay during the 2024 Olympics, choose Invalides in the 7th arrondissement. It's close to Olympic venues like the Eiffel Tower, the Seine River, and Parc des Princes. You'll also have easy access to Roland Garros and Stade de France. To help you decide where to stay, here are 2 hotels in the heart of the city, within walking distance of the sporting arenas and metro stations. Hôtel d'Orsay, Le Narcisse Blanc. Where to stay in Paris? Wondering where to stay in Paris to explore on foot? Opt for the 1st arrondissement on the right bank of the Seine River. It's the central hub, making most tourist attractions easily walkable. Planning a 3-night stay? I recommend the 1st arrondissement on the right bank or the 6th and 7th on the left bank. These areas are safe, central, and just a short walk or metro ride away from many sites. Concerned about safety? Choose from these secure neighborhoods: 1st, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Looking for a honeymoon spot? Hotel Lutetia is your best bet. This historic hotel boasts a fantastic wellness center with a 17-meter indoor pool, and Brasserie Lutetia is perfect for a romantic dinner. For an overall great stay, it's home to Louvre Museum, Tuileries Garden, and Sainte-Chapelle, with excellent connections to the city from nearby Concorde metro station. Top picks for hotels in Paris, France. Most popular, Chouchou Hotel. Best mid-range, Relais Hôtel du Vieux Paris. Best luxury, La Demeure Montaigne. Best for couples, Hôtel Malta. Best for families, La Maison Favard. If you enjoyed this video on the best places to stay in Paris for first-time visitors, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. If you've got any questions or want to share your own Parisian experiences, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you. Safe travels, adventurers. Until next time, au revoir, the first arrondissement.